Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a diagonal joyfold card. A new one for me, but I'm very glad I attempted it. In this video I create a magical scene of fairies in an enchanted forest. Before I begin, I'd like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I used a Lawn Fawn Spooky Trees backdrop die, Lawn Fawn wood grain texture cardstock in dark brown and the Fairy Friends stamp set. This time around I needed my card to be larger than A2 in order to fit on the Spooky Trees panel, and so I created a 5x7 joyfold card. I cut and scored my £110 Nina Classic Crest cardstock and then trimmed the front panel diagonally from top left to bottom right. Next, I created a top fold A2 card base that my backdrop die would fit on. Skipping ahead a little, off screen I trimmed Rainbow Ever After patterned paper in Alice to back the card with, but not attach everything together just yet. I die cut the tree panel and background panel using a Starry Skies backdrop die on Fairy Godmother patterned paper, also from the Rainbow Ever After pack. I wanted mushrooms in my fairy scene, so I used a Lawn Fawn mushroom border to cut dolphin and guava and sage cardstock. I laid down the mushroom stalks first, then the grassy hillside and finally added the mushroom toppers, all with liquid glue. I then attached the trees to the background panel, also with liquid glue. I needed images for my card and off screen I stamped a flower house and 3 fairies. That isn't easy to say with an Essex accent. I need to remember my phonics. I think I got it right this time for zooming in so that the images are clear and you can see most of the cap's colours. Not so speedy with the colouring replay, but you still have the choice to enjoy it or skip it. I cut the images and started to build the scene, moving them about to where I think they looked best. I attached everything flat down with liquid glue. Here is a much clearer view of how the diagonal joyfold is assembled. I attached the panels of patterned paper with liquid glue first and then attached the A2 card so that it flaps over the diagonal line. I added a silver trim to the edge of the diagonal fold with 1/8 inch double-sided tape so that my card wouldn't stick together in the wrong places. I used an anti-static powder tool on the trimming to remove the excess stickiness. Please don't faint in shock here. I actually decorated the inside of my card, something I never do normally. I stamped "Have a Magical Day" and another fairy in tuxedo black memento ink. Finally, I added tiny white flowers to the trees, which are definitely no longer spooky. Then I added a Wink of Stella clear glitter pen to different elements of the cards to give them a little magical shimmer. And there you have it, a magical fairy diagonal joy fold. Definitely a fold I want to try again, but maybe I will try it with an A2 card size instead in the future. The fairies are sweet and I love the mushroom border in the background. This card was inspired by episode 208 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. It's a diagonal joy fold. It takes us on a buggy ride through an enchanted forest where we see branches and a pebble path for sticks and stones. The trim decorates the diagonal edge of the fold. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel for Craft Roulette. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I will be back soon.